So I says to the guy, yeah, it'd be my pleasure. How about some Road Grill homemade protein bars? That's right, high in energy and great for you. Some raw oatmeal. Quick, easy, delicious. How about some beautiful trail mix? Yes, nuts, some fruit. No candy in this. We're keeping it high energy and healthy. Oh, outstanding. Some beautiful granola. A few more nuts, fruit in there. Oh, yeah. I'm getting energized already. Some ground walnuts. Little protein pop right there and some coconut. Yes. Simple as that, huh? Get these out of here. And now, look at this. Just raw honey. Is that not gorgeous? Got to bind these dry ingredients. This is a perfect way to do it.
Hey, Matt, how about some chocolate in there, too?
Well, okay, Jenna.
Good.
That sounds really good. I'm liking that.
Me too.
Beautiful. This is dark chocolate. This is actually good for you. It's high in antioxidants. It's got more natural chocolate than milk chocolate, and it's got less sugar than milk chocolate. That's right, less sugar. All right? Gonna take that beautiful dark chocolate, put it right in there. How about some natural peanut butter? That's right. Less sugar, high in protein and energy. Doesn't that look good? And you can go ahead and mess around with the consistency. And if you find that it's not binding enough, pour in some more honey. Pour in some more natural peanut butter. All right, that looks like what we want, okay? Now check this out. We've got our little baking pan here. See this right here, little wax paper or parchment paper? Perfect for what we want. So just pile it in here, y'all. I'm fixing to get messy here. All right. This looks good, doesn't it? And it's healthy and it's good for you. All right, high five. Sorry. Now that's gonna go in the fridge for 2 hours. That's right, 2 hours, cool off. Carrie, you got a little swap for me? We got some hungry campers over here.
That's some good stuff.
Okay, now hit that for me. Oh, just start, open, there you go. Quickly try to get my hands clean here. Are you ready for this, Mateo? I'm gonna let you try this out first, brother, okay? All right. Oh, yeah. Look how that comes out. You go try that. Try that. I'm gonna try a piece with you. That's one killer homemade protein bar.